How to stop background apps on Android. Are apps draining your battery, slowing down your phone, or using data in the background? In this video, I'll show you how to stop background apps on Android in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, Motorola, OnePlus, or any Android phone, this guide will help improve performance and battery life. Let's get started. Below are the 3 most effective ways to close background apps, Android phone. 1. Restrict app battery usage. If a specific app is draining battery or data, you can prevent it from running when you aren't actively using it. Open Settings and scroll down and tap on Battery. Depending on your device, you may see options like battery usage, app battery usage, or background usage limits. Tap on it to see which apps are running in the background. Identify apps that are using a lot of battery or running continuously in the background. Select the app you want to restrict. Toggle off, allow background usage. If you've Samsung phone, toggle off background usage limits. 2. How to stop background apps running on Android. To close all running apps, open the recent apps and swipe up to close the app instantly. If an app is currently consuming data, go back to the app settings and force stop it. Long press the app and tap App Info or I icon. Tap Force Stop button. Tap OK to close app running in the background. It will never run in the background until you open it again. 3. Turn off app background data. Prevent an app from using the cellular data in the background to your Android phone. Open the app drawer and long press on the app. Tap the App Info or I icon. Tap Mobile Data Usage or Mobile Data. Toggle off background data. If you've Samsung Galaxy, toggle off Allow background data usage. And that's how you can stop background apps on Android and improve battery life, performance, and data usage. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Android tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.